Good day traders, and today we would like to present you second analysis which will be on the Euro Swiss franc. Earlier today we shared the analysis for the Australian dollar versus Swiss franc, and today Euro Swiss franc. This might imply the very weak Swiss franc across the board, but let's get into the price action and see what is happening. But before we get started, we'd like to remind you that information in this video for educational purpose only should not be considered as a financial advice. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it right away, and don't forget to click that notification bell to follow all the videos we do every single day. Let's get started. The Euro versus Swiss franc, this is the daily time frame as can be seen on the top. And what is happening? Today we've seen an extremely strong bullish candle suggesting that the price could be heading north. So there is quite a bit of potential, upside potential, especially considering that the support levels are being rejected. So let's get into the support. The very first case of the rejection was right there, where previous was the resistance, then the support got rejected. But then what we can see is after extended consolidation, there was the rejection of yet another support. So this is also a supply demand area. This case obviously was the demand, and as you can see, I have applied FIBs to this last correction to the upside prior to this massive price drop. And we have here 161.8 FIBs, which got rejected. Now, after this rejection, price went up sharply and broke above the uptrend trend line. Although it has reached the high at 108.70 area, where previous resistance has been formed, it corrected down and rejected yet another strong support area and supply demand zone, which is confirmed also by two FIBs. First is applied to this correction, we have 127.2, and the second is simple FIBs applied to this last wave up, where we see 61.8 FIBs. So this support area at 107.43 has been rejected, and then we had the rejection also of the 50 simple moving average. Prior to that, we had the rejection of the 200 simple moving average. So these are the rejections, and after the rejection it produced a new higher high. And at this point, it seems like this can become a very bullish trend, similar to what has happened here. Maybe there will be a minor pullback and then it will continue going up. I don't think there will be a sharp correction down or sharp pullback, strong pullback towards the support once again, but it is possible in the worst case scenario. Only then, well, it can retest this support potentially, but I don't think, considering this is an extremely strong bullish candle and we're just 1 hour before the day closes, so this certainly will be somewhere at the top. It will not be like a huge spike and then price closed below. So this means that the trend is very bullish and we might see minor correction before it continues to go up. In regards to the upside resistance, from the current point, it is 150 pips away. This is because we have also two FIBs on this level corresponding to each other. And guys, look, this is 1.1 extremely strong psychological resistance also corresponds to this level. So what are the FIBs? This overall correction to the downside, we have 127.2, and then we still use the same FIBs, and it corresponds to 23.6 retracement level. So all in all, this is a 150 pip upside potential short term. I would not think it will take more than a week for this price move to occur, but of course only as long as this support holds. So very interesting price action on the Euro Swiss franc. And let's have a look at the Australian Swiss franc, which we did today. Very similar price action is expected, fast move to the upside. And also we expect a minor correction. So there could be 1 or 2 days of the correction before the uptrend starts. Also, we have, in regards to the Swiss franc, we have Swiss franc Japanese yen, which is expected to go down. And as we can see, last 2 days we're actually going down since we published these analysis. So same for the Swiss franc, expecting this correction down. And another Swiss franc pair which we have is the Canadian Swiss franc. Well, here price stuck, it consolidating now for the second week at the very same price area, which is near 69.50. So I do expect some sort of move, or it could be a big move actually, starting from today, maybe tomorrow or early next week. So this is just around the corner. This move I would expect, and same as long as the support area holds. Other pairs that we had: Australian dollar expecting an uptrend continuation, pound dollar expecting also continuation of the uptrend, pound Australian dollar same. Maybe there will be some consolidation, some fight, but yet it looks bullish. The euro dollar extremely bullish, especially if we're gonna close above the 161.8 pips at 122.55. Canadian Japanese yen, well, expecting this correction. This is a little bit dangerous and tricky on this pair, but I would be watching for the support area to hold or break below, because this will give some indications as to where the price might be heading. But the key support is obviously here at 79.18. Australian New Zealand dollar strongly bullish, expecting the uptrend to continue. And basically these are all the pairs that we currently have. If you enjoyed, guys, the Euro Swiss franc analysis, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you all tomorrow with the new market analysis. So stay tuned, and I wish you profits.